guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a baby shower centerpiece. And so what you're going to need is some florals of your choice. And you can pick everything up at Dollar Tree. So I've got some white flowers here. And then I have two different shades of pink. And I'm not really sure which shade of pink I'm going to be using. So we'll see as we go along. You're going to need some of these little peel and stick letters. You can pick these up at Dollar Tree. You're going to need a square or a rectangular shaped styrofoam for florals. And you can pick these little round styrofoam balls up at Dollar Tree as well. You're going to need a couple of kinds of glitter. I've got silver and iridescent. You're going to need a paintbrush. You're going to need 5 of these square mirrors that you pick up at Dollar Tree. You're going to also need a sheet of these peel and stick gemstones. You can pick these up at Dollar Tree or you can pick them up at Walmart. My Dollar Tree doesn't have them, so I have to pick mine up at Walmart, but they do have these peel and sticks at Dollar Tree. And then I've got a little bit of diamond wrap, which I may or may not need. Got some silver craft paint, Mod Podge. You're going to need one of these tall candle holders. This is the tallest of the 3 graduated sizes, so I've got one of these. And then I have one of these little glass globes here. You're going to need some hot glue. If you want to, you can also use some E6000 on this, but it's up to you. For the purposes of the video, I'm going to be using hot glue. And you'll just need a pair of scissors. And these are the items that you're going to need to build this beautiful baby shower centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, I think I may have mentioned that these are peel and stick letters. They are not peel and stick letters. They're just stencil letters. So you will need to use some of the Mod Podge on the back of these letters in order to apply them to the block that we're going to create. And also another thing that I discovered is that some of the letters are not solid letters and they just kind of like pop out into 2 pieces. So instead of dealing with these, I'm going to be using letters that are solid. So you can choose whatever letters you'd like to use. So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to take some of the silver craft paint and I'm going to apply some of the silver craft paint to the letter. So now I'm just going to put some Mod Podge on these. So now that these are dry, I'm going back over the top of them with Mod Podge just to prevent any fallout. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get started adding some of these gemstones to the mirrors. And I have 4 of these I need to add gemstones to, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. So now I'm going to add some gemstones to this. And again, this is something that you don't have to do. This is just something I'm doing. But again, you don't have to do this. This is not a step that you have to take. I'm going to go ahead and the letter's dry, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this letter into position and I'm going to use some tacky glue just because I have a little bit more control of the tacky glue, but you can also use some of the Mod Podge. So now that the mirrors are all dry, the lettering on them are all dry, I'm going to go ahead and start putting this together to create the block. And so what I'm going to do in order to do that is I'm just going to run a bead of hot glue here. Just like so. And you just want to keep going with these. You just want to keep going with these until you get all of them attached. So you can put a little generous bead of hot glue. And I'm just going in with this one as well. Just like that. And then come in behind it and put a bead right down that seam there. Just like that. You see I've got the hot glue inside there. Just like that. Okay, so we've got the baby block part of the centerpiece done. Isn't that beautiful? Just love that. And so then we'll now go ahead and get started building the floral parts of this. Just want to put a little dot of that at the bottom. Just drop that floral foam in there. Hot glue right in the center here at the bottom, and this is going to hold my candlestick in place here. Bowl here, and I'm just going to put some hot glue on here as well, just a couple of little dots, just to glue this in position and just kind of center it. And this base filler I just had left over from Valentine's Day, so it's optional, you don't have to add it. And we're going to start building a top part to this arrangement to go up on the very top of this. We're going to start building that. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.